Good morning, it's Monday, the 8th of October, 7:35, a bit later than usual. Let's just go back through Friday's expectation and what happened. So this was my scenarios for Friday. Scenario 1 was a test higher for a continuation lower, and scenario 2 was a test lower for a continuation higher. To the value area low, test lower, value area high, and scenario 1 test was up to the closing price. So this is what happened. Friday, test higher to the closing price, started to go lower as per scenario 1, and when you got to the value area low, started moving higher as per scenario 2. And my scenario was calling for, as per scenario 2, up to the price 641, which is prior week's low. What we got was, this was where I was expecting us to reach, and this is where it got to 613. We had a range of 66 points for that day. And this is what the day looked like in the 4-tick Renko chart. Open auction, two-sided action, double top on the previous day's closing price or closing swing. Then move down about 17 and then another 14 points. Kind of a impulsive move, continuation pullback and correction. Test of the mid from the other side, and then we had the news, the NFP around here. Tested higher, tested lower. Within minutes of the news being released, and we finished in the middle, tested higher, and finished in the value area of the day in a completely balanced profile. So my expectation for today, I know the market's already opened and moving, but I'm still gonna go over it. My expectation for today is not sure this is gonna work with the chart moving, so let me just disconnect. On the data feed. Okay, so scenarios for today. Scenario 1. Scenario 1. I was already opened. Oops. It already has opened. And did what it it's done already, but my scenario 1 was on auction. Test low to the value area low, and can extend higher to the value area high to Friday's high in the LVN, and at the highest I expect us to go to 637, which is this low volume dip in the profile from Thursday. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2. It was open, option, test higher. Actually, I had it in my plan, test higher to up here, and then sell off to the very early low, and then below that too. The 536 high volume node, that was my scenario 2. Okay, this was my plans for today. You could have a trend day in a direction. There's the third scenario. Had a trendish day here, a little test up and down. Trendish behavior here. And then the balance day with the NFP news. If we are to have a trend down day, I'm more likely to be down to continue the trend. So test higher, which we haven't had already, down, and trend type behavior, taking out the naked VPOC and the VPOC of the lower distribution in August. So that is my plans for today. I'll do it again tomorrow.